Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Nexo in every practical sense is expected to especially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $312 constantly 2025, which truly is genuinely huge. Long-haul investigation recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1,384 by 2050, with a genuinely possible reach somewhere in the range of $1,3020 and $1,513, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $2168 mark, which truly is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 explicitly is $99.2192, with a possible exceptionally high of $1,168, which sort of is genuinely critical. Continuous information shows Nexo really is exchanging at $152, which is very huge. Starting around 04 walk 2024 Nexo is exchanging at $152 in terms of its OS rate with a value change of 169% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. Nexo really has a genuinely all-out market cap of $850-$4,824 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $89-$70-176, which especially is very huge. This really makes Nexo for the most part positioning at 110 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Nexo cost expectation. End of 2024, what will Nexo basically be genuinely worth in 2024, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Nexo a wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024? Will Nexo cost basically outperform its unequaled most certainly high in a quite large manner? These in every practical sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost certainly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.85, the normal pretty least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the really current year ought to for the most part be $1.78 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Nexo can, for the most part, arrive at a very greatest value level of $214 in a really significant manner. Nexo value conjecture walk 2024. The Nexo cost for walk 2024 may arrive at a genuinely least worth of $133, while the in every way that really matters, greatest estimated cost generally is around $150 in a sort of significant manner. The really normal cost for Nexo by and large is for the most part anticipated to basically reach $1.46 in walk 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge April 2024. The normal cost of Nexo could for the most part go to $150 toward the finish of April 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo could in a real sense exchange around an especially greatest worth of $157 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $1.43 in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value figure May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Nexo sort of is estimated to explicitly be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.46 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a really limit of $163 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $153 in USD, showing how experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $2168 mark, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo value expectation June 2024. The cost of Nexo explicitly is for the most part anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at a kind of least worth of $151 in June 2024, which especially is very huge. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $169 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $156 all through 2024 in a by and large enormous manner. Nexo value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Nexo cost especially is conjectured to basically arrive at a very the least cost of $152 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo cost could really arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.77 with a typical expected cost around $1.59 in a by and large significant manner. Nexo value expectation August 2024 concerning August 2024, Nexo cost in a real sense is estimate to generally arrive at a barely the least cost of $1.57 in a significant manner. The Nexo cost could arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $1.85 with the especially normal expected cost around $1.64, exhibiting how continuous information shows Nexo fundamentally is exchanging at $1.52, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo value figure September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Nexo basically is supposed to sort of arrive at an especially least value worth of $1.60, showing the way that the Nexo value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $1.63 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.53 in EST, exhibiting how experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $21.68 mark, which generally is very critical. The Nexo cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.92 with a really normal cost around $0.67, extremely further appearance how the Nexo cost could basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.69 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $1.56 all through 2024, which truly is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Nexo cost in every practical sense is figured to generally arrive at a very the least cost of $1.68. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $2,000 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $1.74, or so they certainly thought. Nexo value estimate November 2024 the kind of normal cost of Nexo could explicitly go to $0.77 toward the finish of November 2024. Exhibiting how Nexo value expectation June 2024. The cost of Nexo generally is in every practical sense, anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $1.51 in June 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Nexo could be exchanging around and in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $2.27 with the very least expected cost of $0.71 in a quite large manner. Nexo value gauge December 2024. The Nexo cost for December 2024 may generally arrive at a very least worth of $0.78, while the most extreme gauge cost by and large is around $0.14, which explicitly shows that will Nexo value sort of outperform its unequaled high, or so they sort of thought. The very normal cost for Nexo especially is anticipated to explicitly reach $0.85 in December 2024. Nexo pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost most certainly has shown an especially decent increment of $9.68